Welcome back everyone. We're going to be solving LeetCode 268, missing number. So we're given an array nums containing n distinct numbers in the range from 0 to n, and we want to return the only number in this range that is missing from the array. Okay, so example 1, we've got 301 as our array. The output should be 2. Okay, makes sense. Array is of length 3 and our missing value is 2, obviously. 0, 1, skip the 2, go to 3. Okay, so how can we solve this? Well, we can keep track of two values. Value 1, let's call it s, is going to be equal to the summation of all of the numbers inside of our array. So we'll say the sum of nums, right? In example 1, that will be 4. So let's just write 4 down here. Okay, the second value we want to keep track of is the summation of the numbers starting from 1 up to and including the length of our given array. So for example 1, we're given 3. We want to count the numbers from 1, 2, and 3. We want to add those together. What does that give us? That gives us 6. Okay, let's call this value ss. In order to do this, we can use a for loop. So let's say for I in range 1 to the length of nums plus 1, because we want up to and including that value. We just say ss plus equals I. Okay, so what does this give us? This gives us 6. What did we just do with our first variable? Well, we summed up the values inside of our array. Well, if we take that now, that 4, and subtract it from 6, we get 2, which is our output value. That's how we can find this missing number. That's how we can solve this problem with the given constraint down here of O of 1 extra memory, O of 1 extra memory and O of n runtime complexity. And you can run through the next two examples, and it does work perfectly. So let's get rid of this, get rid of some spaces, and put a return statement in here. So what are we returning? Well, we need to return ss minus s. Let's run this. Okay, pass all 3 test cases, submit, and we pass. Go back to the description, and well, I just did say that we solved the follow-up question, O of 1 extra space complexity and O of n runtime. So that gives us O of n time. Obviously for the for loop, right, we're counting the numbers from 1 all the way up to whatever the length of our given input array is. In space complexity, no extra data structures, obviously, so O of 1. And that'll do it for LeetCode. What number is this? 268, missing number.